Are your legs feeling weaker with age? Trouble getting up from a chair? Struggling with stairs or walking long distances? Don't ignore it. Weak legs can lead to falls, loss of independence, and hospital visits. But here's the good news. Certain foods can help restore strength, improve balance, and support muscle health naturally. In today's video, we'll reveal 3 key foods that every senior over 60 should be eating to fight leg weakness and stay strong. Don't let age steal your strength. If you want to keep walking, moving, and living fully, start with what you put on your plate. Section 1. Why seniors experience weak legs. As we age, muscle mass declines, especially in the legs. This is called sarcopenia, and it begins around age 50 but accelerates after 60. Add in poor circulation, low activity, and weak nutrition and your legs suffer the most. The result? Loss of strength, poor balance, higher fall risk, and difficulty doing even basic tasks. But it's not too late to rebuild with the right foods. Section 2. Food number 1. Salmon. Hash 1. Salmon, the muscle restorer. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help rebuild muscle. For seniors, protein is essential to stop muscle breakdown, and omega-3 help improve blood flow and joint function. Try eating salmon 2-3 times a week. You can also substitute with sardines or mackerel. For non-fish eaters, opt for omega-3 supplements and eggs. Bonus: salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which supports bone strength, a key part of leg health. Section 3. Food number 2. Leafy greens. Number 2. Leafy greens, the bone and muscle defender. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium for muscle function, potassium for preventing cramps, calcium and vitamin K for stronger bones. Many seniors don't get enough of these, leading to leg cramps, spasms, and weakness. A daily serving of greens can help strengthen both muscles and bones. Pro tip: saute them in olive oil or blend them into smoothies. Section 4. Food number 3. Greek yogurt. Number 3. Greek yogurt, the recovery fuel. This is a senior superfood because it's high in protein, rich in calcium and probiotics, easy to digest. Greek yogurt supports muscle recovery after walking or therapy, while also keeping bones dense and your gut healthy, important for nutrient absorption. Choose plain, unsweetened versions and add fresh berries or honey. Dairy intolerance: go for almond yogurt fortified with calcium and protein. Section 5. Bonus tips. Other helpful foods. Bananas, potassium for leg cramps. Lentils, protein plus iron for energy. Turmeric, fights inflammation. Watermelon, hydration plus muscle support. And don't forget, drink plenty of water. Avoid processed sugar and heavy sodium. Nutrition plus movement equals stronger legs. Your legs carry you through life. Take care of them. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Stay strong, stay active, stay independent.